How to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hi guys, I'm Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. The first step is to open up Instagram on your device. Now tap on the chat icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on any conversation in which you want to turn off the vanish mode. Now, I'm going to show you two ways on how you can do that. The first one is very simple. You simply have to swipe up. Once you do, you have turned off the vanish mode. Now to turn on the vanish mode as well, it's the same step. Swipe up and now the messages that are seen will disappear when you close the chat. But if you don't find this method or if this method is not working, then another method is to tap on the account name at the top of your screen, and from here you want to tap on privacy and safety. Once you go over here, you can find the vanish mode option. Simply toggle this option off and you have successfully turned off the vanish mode. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.